But Vaughn will be passing it towards the near side, and they will be able to find Walks. A good sliding challenge coming up from the defender, and they will be able to keep it in play. Was Salvadori, but Walks will be able to get it right off of the midfielder. As they're going to be able to win on the midfield, as they're going to play this on towards this near side for Walks. But again, it's a sliding challenge for Salvadori, and he'll be able to keep that play in front of him. And Walks tries to win that one right back, and he's be able to play it through. And it's going to be offside, though, going against Santos. But it's going to come all the way back first, as it's going to be called for the late challenge from Walks. And it's going to lead to a free kick for Salvadori just around that 50-yard mark. Nice and sunny day here in Oakville, as that one's going to get thrown in towards that far corner, as Walks will have some pressure in behind him. Salvadori will poke that ball away, as there'll be a throw in right by their corner. Finds Walks on the near side. Walks trying to play that a little quick 1-2 up the middle of the field, but the player was just a touch ahead of the defense. Left there to shut down that angle. Blue Devils response some good one-touch passing themselves. Pass can't get through Hamada. Point here today, they would pass Alliance on the League One Ontario Premier standings. And if they pick up the 3 points, they would pass Burlington as well, who picked up 3 points earlier this afternoon with a 3-2 victory over Hamilton United. Will be on the first half in this League One Men's Premier Division play. Just going to see here. Laurent does well with some good composure as they try to go quickly the other way. The Boyakai, who trying to pick up the pace and see if they can get themselves this tying goal. For Laurent to carry this ball up, as they'll be able to find Mohammed, and Mohammed is offside again. Third offside for the striker already. Has to start to get a little bit of awareness of his positioning. Vaquero, and a little miscommunication there between Caride and Rose, as that ball fell right between the two players. And sure if the turf is just a little bit slippery or what isn't. Just they have both teams really just haven't had that grip onto this turf. As Perio gets instructed by the goalkeeper to clear this one away, as it's going to get kicked up high in the air by Salvadori. Little 1-2 with Sabataso by Mohammed. There is how be able to pick this ball up in the midfield, as Hilton's making a run down the right side, and the Blue Devils see that one instantly and will play. It's going to be a low drive, blocked on the first one by Salvadori, and he will be able to kick this one up the field as Salvadori. As space to be able to kick this one up the field. Look for a handball there, as it looked. Salvador looking for options. We'll play down the line. Goes under the foot of Fleming, but back towards Beccaro. Good touch towards Mohammed. Avoids that. Clear right back towards Vaughn, as there's a shot there. Takes a deflection, and Salvadori kicks it right back towards Vaughn's midfield. Walks, trying to push his way through, gets into towards the back of Salvadori. And great goalkeeping coming in there from Markoc, able to shut down. He shuts down one of the top goal scorers in the league in Walks, who made a great run dancing his way through the Blue Devils defense. And now Blue Devils going to quick throw in though. Salvadori. Time for Duarte. Returns it Salvadori now to Prieto. Run perfectly to make sure he stayed on side. As it's going to be thrown in right towards Prieto. Lots of space for the midfielder. Good turn from Santos, and Salvadori is going to run up the field, take the place on the left side. Cross there, blocked by Boykai for another throw in. As get closer towards that 45, probably imagine there'll be a minute or two of injury time where Mohammed through the middle as they try to play that pass towards him, but it goes in behind the Vaughn attacker. And a lot of time there for Salvadori. Busy half for Salvadori and Hilton, but they've done the work what's needed when they've had it. Here comes that throwing down the line for Santos. Laurent will be able to settle that one as Boyka League One Ontario season on a right foot, as there's just one halftime substitution as Cole Zanel was substituted in for Blue Devils FC. He replaced Kylan Fleming. Defense. Good header there from Zanel. Ahead, despite them, even if they pick up 3 points today, Blue Devils would be behind them on the table with a better goal differential and a 1-1 tie in head-to-head with the same record. But he's able to poke that one away from the Vaughn attacker who was coming in with speed. Possession. Confidently places that one towards the bottom corner, and that'll be his 16th goal of the League One Ontario season, 19th overall, as he looks double the Vaughan Missouri lead now to 2-0 over Blue Devils FC. And just an unlucky play because Hilton just hears that communication and it's just that expectation of where that player is. So sometimes it's just that